Hello, welcome to my channel Crafts and Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make tomato soup with a twist. Instead of croutons, I'm gonna use cornflakes. Let's get started. Into a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 bay leaf, 2 dried Kashmiri red chilies. I'm using Kashmiri red chilies so that they give a nice red color to the soup. And then add half a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Saute them for a few seconds. Add half inch chopped ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. Saute them and then add 2 medium-sized roughly chopped onion. Saute the onions until they turn translucent and then add 250 grams or 2 big tomatoes chopped and some freshly chopped coriander. Mix them all well and then add half a cup of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for at least 2 to 3 whistles. Once the pressure cooking is done, open the lid and let it cool. Meanwhile, heat oil in a deep fry pan and fry cornflakes. The oil has to be very hot. You just drop the cornflakes and once they puff up, take them out into a plate lined with a paper towel. Now keep these cornflakes aside and let's move on to the third step, which is to grind pressure cooked onions and tomatoes into a smooth puree. Before blending, remove bay leaf and put everything else into the blender jar and blend it into a smooth puree. Now over a saucepan, place a strainer and put the puree. Add some water into the jar and put that too and strain using a spoon. Once you're done with the straining, let's move on to the fourth step, which is to cook the soup. Now place the saucepan over high heat and add 2.5 cups of water and some salt to taste. Mix it and then add a tablespoon of cream, which is totally optional, and then add a teaspoon of sugar. We have to bring the soup to a rolling boil and then simmer it for 2 minutes and the soup is ready to be served. Now let's see the serving suggestion. Pour piping hot soup into a bowl. And top it with some deep fried cornflakes. Add some diced onion and some freshly chopped coriander, and the soup is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching my other videos.